were here yesterday, but since we enjoyed the tour and we're planning to come back for another tour. Yesterday we did jeep, went to that you know, where they film lots of movies like this. You remember that in Jumanji, Jurassic Park, Lost. There's a lot of movie that is been filmed in this place, and because of that, if you can see all the surroundings, mountains, those are all volcanoes. So I'm here today because I want to have a little bit picture with me myself, and I have only 15 minutes.
And Hawaii, Oahu, Hawaii, and we're gonna go on the
Ocean Voyage, yeah. So let's see what we're gonna see today.
Maybe an hour and a half, I don't know. Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, mostly it's ocean, and I believe to see around the volcanoes. So we'll see. We'll see what we're gonna see.
That's right.
Yeah.
So you're one of the stars? So we bought the Go Oahu cards, and with this card you have 3 attractions here included, but you cannot take them all in one day. You have to do it 3 separate days, or if you take one attraction and you want to do the second one the same day, you get 50% off on the second attraction. So that's how it works. So what we did, we basically upgraded one of the attractions to the Deep Jungle Expedition, and today we're doing the second attraction.
Alright, aloha everybody, welcome to the Ocean Voyage Tour. My name is Tiara, and we have Victor back there as well. And then Wofford, our awesome bus driver. Right now we're going to make our way onto the highway. We're going to our ancient Hawaiian fish pond called Moli'i. Once we get there, we're going to get in a small pond boat and go across to Secret Island. That's where we have our catamaran. So we have 2 boats in total for you guys today. We will be going out to Kaneohe. You can kind of see the water is right in front of us. We're going to get lots of beautiful pictures, and hopefully we see turtles as well. So you guys can get excited for that. Yay, turtles. A couple minute ride down that way. Be there very shortly. Please enjoy the sights on the way, everybody. Half loop type of action, and at that dock area right across from us, that place is Secret Island. That's where we walked on the beach to our catamaran, and the real boat tour begins. To the side where you see the mountain that comes to a peak, that is the volcano in Jurassic World as well, right over there. And then the beautiful cool little mountain range right behind you guys. They used this in the beginning of Jurassic, but they called it Costa Rica. But we're in Oahu, so I don't know, Hollywood is weird. Now about the pond itself. This is Moli'i Fish Pond. It's about 800 years old, which is very crazy. It's also 125 acres, so it's a very massive fish pond. Water in here, as I said, is 3 to 5 feet deep, very shallow. That allows the sun to penetrate through all the way to the bottom. A lot of seaweed and algae can grow for our fish. That's going to be their main diet. The water here is also brackish, so we have fresh water from the mountain streams, and then we get ocean water from our 3 gates up ahead. Even better for that seaweed and stuff too, bro.
Okay, we have pictures again.
And that again. In those greenhouses right over there, it was the Bible study scene with Carrie Underwood. This is a movie you guys all should watch. It's just such a true story and it's just so good. Alright everybody, all these trees we're walking through is called how tree or beach hibiscus. We have a little sign on the right of the names. In the picture it shows a yellow flower that grows at the top, but when that flower falls down it turns red, which is kind of cool. So if you see a flower that's red, you can pick it up, you can take it, it's all good. But yeah, it's kind of cool. This is also a canoe plant, so it was brought over. It's not a volcano, it's just a little island,
Okay.
yeah. So the real name is called Mokolii. Yeah, perfect.
Oh.
No one gets it on the first time.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
Mokolii. But the nickname, which a lot of people know it as, is Chinaman's hat. But we should say Mokolii.
Hawaii?
Yeah,
From all my
beautiful.
gifts?
Very beautiful.
From any gifts
Awesome.
you ever done?
Awesome. Yes, of course. Woohoo!